Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today I'll show you quick yoga for chest. Sit down nice and comfortable and hands at the center. Inhale, reach your arm to the sky. And exhale, open cactus pose. Open your chest, lift up your sternum, shoulder blades together. And all the way down. Now, cross your hands and bend your elbow, lift up the elbow, and bow to your own arms. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, switch your hands, interlace your fingertips, and turn and bend your elbow, bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release. Now, the tip of your finger behind and shoulder blades together. Lift up your sternum. Look up. Open your chest to the sky. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2. Breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. 4, 5. And release back to center. If you want to know more, check out my full-length videos.